guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kimberly. So today I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial. I haven't done a hair tutorial for like a very long time, but I want to do this hair tutorial. I'm going to put a picture here. This is Selena Gomez's hair tutorial. I just love how she did with the curl and just the whole hairstyle. So I'm going to be doing that one. So the products that I'm going to be using are L'Oreal Paris Elle Knit Latin. I like this hair spray because it doesn't get your hair like really like tight, and this smells good, so I'm going to be using this one. And of course I'm going to be using the Tresemme heat protector because we have to protect your hair from heat. And I'm going to be using this teasing comb so I can tease up a little bit. And I'm going to be using my curling iron that it's on, so I'm heating it up. This curling iron is by Revlon. You guys can see that, Revlon. This is the best curling iron I've gotten. I got this at Walmart for like 15 bucks. It is the best curling iron ever. I love it. And I also have a mirror, so if I'm turning around this way, it's because I'm looking at my mirror. But anyways, let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna pull this hair, and then I'm gonna. This is what my hair looks like when I take a shower at night and woke up in the morning like this. This is insane hair. I'm not even kidding. But anyways, I'm gonna add my heat protectant. And we're gonna add a heat protectant to my hair. Okay, just a little bit. And I'm just gonna brush it out so everything is nice and even. Clippies. So how I like to curl my hair is I like to grab it like this, and I love to make a little bun up here, get a hair tie, and tie it up like this. And I like to separate the bottoms like this, and I like to pin one side like this. And I like to work my way over here. Okay, so one side is done, so this is what it looks like, and let's continue with this side. Alright guys, so I finished the bottom curler. I curled my hair on the bottom, so that's what it looks like. So I'll be right back. I'll be right back when I finish all my hair.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so I'm finished curling my hair. This is what it looks like. I know it looks kind of like bouncy and stuff, but we're going to run my fingers through my hair so we can, you know, make it more beautiful. Okay, so now for the styling of my hair. Now her hair looks, she has hair right here. She literally just grabs hair from the top like this and grabs some bobby pins. And just like she pulls back and she left hair here. So I'm gonna do the same thing. Oh, she grabbed hair like that. And she grabbed hair. Now I have a lot of baby hair. These are my baby hairs. So I'm gonna have to do something with it. Now I'm gonna go back in with my curler And I'm gonna curl some pieces that I don't like how they look. Like for example, this one. I'm just gonna go back and fix some parts that I don't like. Now this is like the simplest hairstyle that I like how she styled it. So I'm just gonna fix it. Alright guys, so the style that I was doing was not the right one, so I had to go back and look at the picture. So apparently, I'm sorry about that, I'm bad at remembering, but she just grabbed from the back and she kept like her bangs. Like my bangs are just not like very nice, but she just grabbed some hair on the back. And I'm gonna grab my teasing comb. I got this teasing comb at Target. Tease. Not too hard. Just very light. So now I'm just gonna grab and make like a little bump. My hair is not that great for a bump. Really, it's not. I'm gonna tease it a little bit. I'm gonna tease right here too, so it's nice and teased. Okay. Go. And we're gonna pull it up like this. I'm gonna bobby pin it. I'm gonna use 2. And from here, we're gonna lift it up a little bit. Just a little bit. Make it look cute. She has like a little bump here. Just a little bit, not too high to make it look nice. Okay. Now I don't like how this looks, so I think I'm going to get this up there too, like that. Okay. So I'm gonna grab the end of the teasing comb and I'm just gonna pull up a little bit. She doesn't really have it that high, so it's just a little bump. And I'm gonna go back with my curling iron and curl this part right here. All right, so now that's how I like it, like that. Now that I'm done, I'm gonna use my hairspray. Oh, okay. Like that, not too much. Okay. Just so I can set the curls in there. Okay, so this is what the hairstyle looks like. Let me give you a little, you guys can see the curls. Look in the back. Yeah. So there you go. There is my inspired hairstyle by Selena Gomez. I think this needs to be a little bit higher. Kind of a little bit higher like that. Get a little bump on the back right here. Not too much. Doesn't have too much bumps. But I hope you guys enjoy this hair tutorial. If you guys like this hair tutorial, give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hairstyles, because I think I'm going to start doing more hairstyles because I haven't done one for a long time. And push that notification bell so you guys won't miss my videos. And I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.